Guys, what's up? So here I am with a DIY video for you guys today. With me, really pretty much personalizing this top that I got on. I got this shirt from the Family Dollar. It was $9 and I liked it because of, all this melanin that's on this shirt, So, and with all the protesting and the Black Lives Matter movement, everything that's going on after this George Floyd killing that happened, everything that's just going on in the world. I figured this shirt was kind of like dope, so you want to see how I created it. I'm going to stop rambling on and show you how you can create not just this shirt from the Family Dollar, but any top that you want to, get this off the shoulder vibe, fringe, crop top thing going on. How you can create yourself a shirt like this. So keep watching. Guys, so here I am with this shirt that I got from the Family Dollar, and I am going to see about, hooking this shirt up and, turning it to something, personalizing it for me and doing something of my own, a little DIY craft this morning. So I'm gonna get my scissors and get to work in and see what I come up with for a little DIY. This shirt is so cute, and I figured with all the looting and rioting and stuff for injustice that's going on with this police brutality, like all the black stuff that's going, figured why not get this shirt. It was pretty dope, so I'm here for it. I'm here for the movement for my black people. First off, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut the neck part off, the collar part for this shirt, this t-shirt. I'm going to cut all around here. And I can't even get it out because I want it to be like an off-the-shoulder shirt. I'm going to start like here. And I'm going to come down a little bit by the words, if you can see it, and come around like that. So I'll come out about this far. And I'm just basically cutting this part off. I'm just going a little bit further down from there. Kind of want this shirt to be a crop top, so I'm thinking about making it like a crop fringe or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up this shirt like that, like so. Make some lines and make some fringes on here. And it's okay if you don't have a graphic on your shirt. You can do this perfectly with, a plain white t-shirt or your favorite color t-shirt or something that you already have another kind of design on. But this is what the shoulder looks like once I cut the collar piece, the neck part off there. And before I start cutting the lines, I'm going to actually take this part right here where the seam is, and I'm going to cut the end off of that. And you'll see why at the end of this video, why it will make sense too. That's how I just started cutting it off like that. So you just want to take and get some strings like this. So you pretty much just want to find out, how far you want your strings to go up to your belly, how much of your belly you want out, and just cut some pieces just like this, some strings up your shirt, and make some fringes. And when you're done with cutting it, you want to, as you go along, you want to take and pull these, and this is what it'll do. Kind of give it this, I don't know, not so perfect kind of effect. It looks like it's all drawn up and stringy. Let me see if you can see it. I don't know if you can see one. I don't have my stand, but this is how they look once you pull them out. Like that. You'll see it as you do it. It'll make more sense. Right now, as I'm cutting these pieces, I'm trying to see if I'm going to do the back too. If I'm going to fringe up the back of my shirt or just leave the front. But this is what the pieces look like once I cut them and then I pull them. Like you want to tug on them a little bit. Like that. And then they swirl up. Like this one is not done. So let me see. I'll show you. Pull it. Pull it a little bit. Give it a little tug. Pull it really taut. Pull them strings down low. And this is what will happen. They'll curl up like that. Now, the next step that I'm doing is totally optional. Of course, if you don't even have this shirt with this graphic, you don't have to worry about it anyway. But if you're a girl like me, I like some bling. So I took my hot glue gun and I went down and I applied some rhinestones. I wanted to attach this one again because this one is coming off right there. But I'm gonna put some more glue right there and put these on like so. I pretty much just used this little nail art thing that I got from the Dollar General, which was $1. It's like a nail polish, and then it has some rhinestones. So I just took the stones from there. But I guess if you have some arts and craft type of rhinestones or, that you have already, you can use it. And pretty much I'll be done with the shirt when I'm finished with this tedious part. And then that I'm done, this is what the shirt looks like. After I went on and applied the rhinestones, I took some tweezers to pick these gems up and place them on the glue. And I also took the tweezers to remove the little stringly strand things from the hot glue residue. But anywho, this is how it looks. And I can't wait to try it on and see how it looks on. Alright guys, so here I am with the final look for this shirt that I did in my DIY. And yes, quick, simple, fashionable shirt that I got for $9 from the Family Dollar. And I turned it into something, glammed it up with my little ripped up jeans that I got from Walmart. And that is ballin' beauty on a budget. What? Now I'm cute with my synthetic wig. This outfit all together, more than $100. And she cute.